Hi everyone, this is Gillian popping in to show you day 9, my day 9 interpretation of the hashtag 12 Days of Ditches 2020, which is a challenge by Cara Brandon and Dearjuliejulie. Day 9 already. It's coming around quickly, isn't it? Making December go quite quickly. Before I start showing you this, what I've made with the 2 pages from today, I realised that at the end of day 8 yesterday, I forgot to show you that Cara has done another freebie page, Cara Brandon Creations Day 8 freebie. Again, I didn't use this straight away because I did do a fair bit with the 2 sheets from yesterday. So what I intend to do with this and other pieces that I've got left over from different days is to go through the journal when I finished all the days, go through the journal that I've made, adding more of these to it where I need to, where there's gaps or where there's pockets that need extra in. But you can see this is a beautiful sheet of little Christmas pieces. My favourite on here is this lovely little girl with loving Christmas greetings. Well, 2 little girls in fact. I just think that's so pretty. But all of the images are lovely, but I do particularly love that one. So, you know, just to mention that, because I did forget to say it yesterday. Again, follow Cara's link, which is underneath this video, and you'll be able to find out where to access that, because that's free to everyone, I think. I don't think it's only free for the elves that are doing the challenge. I think it's free for anybody. So check that out. So for this day, I've done a double page spread in the journal. Starting this side, I've used a strip of the green craft paper that I showed you on a different day. I think it was day 7 that I used that as a backing. Again, I thought it went nice picking out the green, particularly from that Merry Christmas element. And with there were 3 cards in a row. So one of them I've used here as a pocket, and I've cut round it. So I've cut the piece off. It would have been oblong. I've cut the piece off just to give a little bit of interest with a different shaped pocket. So I've glued that on 2.5 sides. Used a little bit of the extra pieces to collage a little bit there. Cut out, that was on one of the elements that was sort of like a tag, but I cut that off of it because I thought that went well with the holly in the image. And then backed and cut these 2 pieces, postcard and this Merry Christmas. Personally, I didn't like, there was oh look, I've got a bit of glue there, underneath here and here there was sort of like a more modern paint colour, like a paint colours. I don't know how to describe it. Anyway, it looked quite modern compared to the rest of how I'm making this journal. So I used a couple of the images to cover that up. And those 2 go very nicely into there and layer up well, I think, for that page. And then on the other side, I used another one of those cards. I backed it to, not that you can really use it easily to journal on, but just to make it more sturdy, used another bit of craft paper behind that, which also then covers the flap of that envelope from a previous day. Just thought it looked nicer to cover that. Put just a little label there, which I might put a number or something into. Sorry, my voice is going. And then backed these with just some white paper this time, just again to give a bit of variety. Popped that in there, and this was 2 tags, a smaller one and a bigger one from today, but I've glued the smaller one onto the bigger one to give sort of like a bit of a little layered effect. I've used a few of the small elements to provide a little bit more interest. Again, used a piece of that lovely vintage lace and some little bits of glitter across the top there. And again, I thought that probably that way looked nice layered up onto that page. So that's the double page spread for day 9. And I'll be back to see you again on day 10. Hope you're all enjoying it and all keeping safe and well in these challenging times. Take care. Bye.